So this is a quick demonstration of our tablet belt clip and sling mount in conjunction with the OtterBox uniVERSE case system. This is the new state-of-the-art case from OtterBox. If you're familiar with the Classic Defender case from OtterBox, this has even a higher mil-spec drop rating. What you will do is insert the mounting unit into the center hole here and make sure the arrow is pointing up. All right. Once it's in there, you can insert your device into the case, and then once the device is in the case, you can easily slide the buckle plate until you hear the click. Once you're all set, put the hip pad on, connect the Velcro, clip the security cord to the end of the buckle plate here, and attach or lock the tablet to your belt. Again, this allows your hands to be free to do the things you need to do out in the field. Then you can access your device in less than 1 second from a secured position. The security cord then also eliminates dropped and broken devices in the field, saving lots of money and downtime due to dropped devices. And when you don't need it anymore, simply clip it back to your belt. The modular system of OtterBox allows us to then easily take off the belt clip, insert a sling mount. Again, slide it in till you hear the clip. These extra rails are for additional units. Have a thermal reader here. Slides in. You can now look at heat through walls. You have a battery power, extra battery power. It just slides on like that. And then, again, you just over your shoulder, and away you would go. So this is how the uniVERSE works, the uniVERSE system works. There are several other companies within the ecosystem. If you have specific needs for barcodes or any other accessories, keyboards, then just let us know and we can help you source those needs. Again, this is the tablet belt clip and the sling mount with the OtterBox uniVERSE case system. Thank you.